Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Thursday, the 19th of December. This is our daily recap. Not been the easiest of days to trade here in the markets, to be honest with you, but there was trades to be had. Um, SPY not doing very much. Honest answer. When you look at what's going on here, here's yesterday's big down day. We gapped up, we came down, we held the overnight lows. We almost hit it just now, backed off of it. And bottom line, and you look here, we've been trading in a range all day long. Volume, again, elevated at 60 million shares compared to we've been. Yesterday, we had distribution volume. Today, today you have good volume, but, up and not up all that much. Yesterday, again, we talked about this was the largest candle on the SPY all year. So, that means something. Why is the market sitting here like this? Well, it's unsure what it wants to do. We got PCE tomorrow morning. The market's expecting a hot number. If it is not a hot number, watch out if you're short. If it's a slightly hot number, it's probably built in at this point. If it's a very hot number, then Houston, we have problems. Where does this market go? I don't know. I would love to see a push down, fill this gap, and then reverse off of that and get a reversal candle. But this market's been very bulled up. And, something tells me it very much may try to rally here tomorrow or probably next week. My gut still says we rally into the end of the year at some point. So keep that in mind as we move forward. So let's talk about everything. We'll start off with the VIX here. The VIX is out of the Bollinger Bands. That means it is risk off. It was in it for a while today. It's pushed up. It is just off the highs. Maybe it closes just out of them. We'll see. The Qs still weak, but holding in. The Dow today is going to be the first green day in 12 days, so good for it. And the IWM remains absolutely beaten up and slaughtered. The financials up a little bit. They had some strength early. They gave it back. Energy, nobody wants to touch it. The SMHs, Micron wasn't good last night and under the 200-day here. This is the level to watch. This would be the first close under the 200-day. Again, signs of distress still there, signs of cracks in the market. Bonds are getting absolutely annihilated yet again, and the 10-year rate is all the way up here at 5.59 earlier today. So again, these are not what we want to see, and the dollar continues to push higher. That said, there were things to do long or short today. I made two trades on Apple long, made nice little money on that. Apple was strong today. Despite the market, it didn't care. A back above the 8-day, not far off the all-time high. And you can see they came for it out of the gate, dropped it, and then came and, nice little move here. Apple looking fairly good. Uh, I shorted Tesla today. Tesla, though, coming back up. Chris, we lost our undercut a little bit here at this point, depending on how you want to look at it. But came before yet below yesterday's low, got back, actually got green on the day a little while ago before coming back down just now here. But overall, still holding up around that 8-day and above it and saying, I still want to try to rally. Amazon has looked good today. If you're asking me, these three names have go-to status. While it's just under the 8-day, it's just under it and trying to hold it. So, there's everything is not as bad as it looks. That said, the chip sector, Nvidia, not so good, but held the 100-day. AMD, new lows under 120, not good at all. Meta, still kind of hanging in there, nothing special. Google, the same thing, holding the 8-day, still looks good. Microsoft on the 21-day and trying to hold it. Crypto not acting so well today. Coin getting beat up. MSTR, which goes into the NASDAQ after the close tomorrow or before Monday's open, depending how you look at it, remains relatively weak. So, right now it is risk-off environment, but there's trades. If you're paying attention, there's trades to be had. The Tesla shorts were nice. The Apple longs were nice. It's just a matter of paying attention and a matter of having conviction and not over trading. I always tell everybody cash is a position when you're not sure, or trade smaller or trade nice and easy. Don't force trades. Don't just sit there and try to trade against the market. That said, Apple gave us reasons to be long today. That said, I hope you all have a great night, and I'll catch you guys live in the AM early for PCE. We'll open up the room before 8:30.